All right, so here's part 2. My fiberglass is cured and it's nice and rigid. So you can do this part by hand, but I choose to use a sanding file. Now what you want to do is V the part out. What that does is create a valley for the Bondo to penetrate, and it gives you a better repair. So I like to use this Evercoat reinforced filler. What this is Bondo combined with fiberglass fibers. This is what you want to use to give your part strength. You want to mix it up per instructions and lay your first layer to the width of your damaged area. Now we're going to knock this area down smooth with 80 grit to get it nice and flat and prep for Bondo. Now that we have our base, we can go ahead and top that off with a body filler. Now mix that up per instructions, and just be sure when you're mixing that it's all one uniform color. That's how you know it's mixed thoroughly. Now you want to go ahead and apply a smooth layer of Bondo. Once your Bondo is cured, I like to knock it down with 120 first using an electric sander. I'll then put 120 on a sanding block and sand from 120 to 220 to 320 until your product is nice and smooth. Now you want to degrease your part, and I like to use this high build filler primer to fill in any small imperfections, and it'll also allow me to see any small imperfections. If you see any imperfections, you can just go back through and skim coat this with some Bondo, sand it back down, and prime it. If it's all good, then you're ready for some paint.